Hi, I'm Debra Sofia Magdalene, and today I have got my second Healy. It's my third one, and I thought I'd do an unboxing because I haven't done one yet. So when you order your Healy, it comes packed like this. I've just opened the box and I'll go through the unboxing with you. So the first thing I see on top is this, which is, it says Frequencies for Life. Let's open it up and see what it is. Oh, wow, it's a video brochure.
And Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies.
That's really cool. And when I close it, it goes off again. So I've heard about these. This is the first time I've seen it, and it gives you, I can pause it as well. And it says, welcome to Healy and its accessories, Healy first time app first steps, systemic, acute and local Healy programs, the Healy Gold Cycle and Healy program pages. So this is like a training tool that you can use for setting up your Healy. So delighted about that. And then going into the box, we've got some paper here, and then inside we've got the Healy itself, and this is the delivery note. So let's open the Healy up so that you can see what's in it. So I've got a knife here, slice that open, get the packaging open, that's cellophane. Okay, so this is the box, very nicely packaged. Let's take that open. The first thing we've got is a quick start guide. And this is it gives you, so it's in different languages. So the bit that you need isn't actually all that, it's the first part of it. And then there's a thicker booklet, which is instructions for use. There again, this is in multiple languages, and we want the English version. So instructions for use. And then you can see the Healy here. So the first thing you do when you receive your Healy is you charge it up. If I take this out, we've got the cables in here. And this one is the charging cable, and it just plugs into a USB port. And this bit here, the thin bit, goes into this part of the Healy. In the other side, the 3 round holes are where you plug the electrodes in. And so it's really super important to fully charge your Healy when you first get it. And you do that until the green light goes out, and that conditions the battery, because it's like an intelligent battery, and it will learn through the way that you actually use it. So I'm going to put that onto charge, and this is going to be for my daughter. In here we've got electro pads, and we also have electro clips. There's 2 of these, and these clip onto the wristbands. I've got silver wristbands with this one. So if I open these, here we go. So what you do is you put some water on these, which helps with the conductivity. They've got like a Velcro clip, which opens up like that. And this bit goes to your skin. So the easiest way to put that on is to create a loop. Put your arm through it, pull the loop closed, and I have the electrode bit on the outside there. And then the electrode simply plugs into here, and the other side of it plugs into the other part of the Healy, into the round sockets. So you've got 2 electrodes with it. And then the other thing that we've got in the in the European market, in other parts of the world, this doesn't apply to the United States because they're not approved for use there, are the ear clips, which have here some little pads that you can put on the inside there, just to make it a bit more comfortable for clipping onto your ears if you're wanting to deliver microcurrents that way. There's also a clip here, and on the back of the Healy is this, and you can clip this onto your clothing. So I could, like, it's a wearable portable device, so I could like put this on here. But if I wanted to wear it around my neck on a lanyard, I could take this off and clip the loop onto the top like that, and then that can go around my neck on a chain. So that is the Healy. The reason I bought another one is because I've got 2 of the Healy resonances. I use one for myself and with my father, and I also use it with clients. And then my daughter got the free Healy that I got through the Fast Start bonus. And so I ordered another Healy, the Healy Holistic Health model. And now I'm going to swap the other resonance for that one, so she can have that. I'll get the resonance back, and then I've got a spare one so that me and my dad have got one each, and I can use it as well with clients. So that's the unboxing of the Healy. Enjoy using your Healy. They're fantastic devices, and you'll find other training videos. Check out Frequency Alchemist YouTube channel.